Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Wednesday morning market webcast. Okay, we're just a few minutes before the open. Run a little bit behind today. Busy day. I mean, today's a busy day. It's a busy day for everybody. So, anything big going on in the market today? 2 o'clock, you've got the Fed announcement. The statement will come out at 2. The presser from the FOMC, from the chair, comes at 2:30. So what's it going to be? It's going to be taper, no taper, change the language, change the time frame. Like I said yesterday, you don't know, I don't know, we don't know what they're going to do, we don't know what the reaction's going to be, and we don't know how the market is going to, handle it. What our job is today is to digest the news, find the range that is born out of that news, and trade that range. So, we made a reaction low down at 1754 here. This is a continuation chart of the ES daily chart, 54. That's a matching low with November the 13th. 54.25, 54, okay? I will be very interested to see if we make a new reaction low today off the Fed news that is a higher low versus these matching 54s. If we do, and we break solidly back above the not only the 77 area, but really the high from you've got the 86 high, and then you have the 82 half high. If the bulls over the course of the week can take out 86 half, that's the path back to the middle band on the continuation chart, which is 92 half. If we get back in through there, then I think we do higher prices because the taper is out of the market. The uncertainty about the taper is out of the market, I should say. If you're going to get a significant pullback, you have to break through 54, and 54 has to be resistance. Then you can go to work on lower levels like the 100-day, and start looking at what happened back in June. In June, we had what was then a 38% retracement of the total move. A 38% retracement of this total move from the 1340 quarter to 1812 half comes in at about 1632, right in that area. That's where the fib is. Now, before you bristle at 1632, well, the uptrend is over. We're done. We are cooked. No, we're not. It's just a retracement. It's a retracement of a serious ripping year in the trading community. Okay? The other thing that we could do, and this all is if we break and everybody hates taper. Personally, I think that today is going to be a buying opportunity. I think we're going to get a higher low, and wherever we bottom out after the announcement, the change in language, I think it's going to be a buy. The fact that a lot of people think it's going to be a buy, maybe it'll run a little longer than we think it will. But it all hinges off of 54. We've made matching lows at 54. 54 has to get taken out. If 54 gets taken out, retested, and becomes resistance. That's the preface of this entire going lower conversation. Take out 54. Retest 54 as resistance, 54 holds, 54 becomes a ceiling, okay? Then you can go to work on these lower prices. We haven't seen the 200-day exponential moving average since December the 28th of 2012. That is true mean reversion in a market. If you want, I hear people talking about some really lofty lying areas with respect to the S&P for 2013, but nobody seems to want to put the work in to get there. You want to go see 1950? You want to go see 1975? Take it down to 1666 and bounce it. Take it down to the 200 and bounce it. You'll have a whole new crop of people blow out their accounts trying to short this sucker all the way back up. Right now, we're just kind of doing fits and starts up here in the 1800s, and maybe that's enough to take us up to a marginal new high, but it's not enough to take us where some people want to go. you're going to have to retrace. Is today the beginning of that? I don't know. Personally, I think there's too many eyes on it. But I will be flat at 2 o'clock, and we'll see what the reaction is, and we'll go from there. And I suggest that you do the same. So we'll get back together tonight. Sorry, I got really busy last night with some other stuff, but I will be back tonight with a webcast. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. We're going to also start ramping the content back up. I know the last couple days I've been kind of slack with the charts, but things have just been completely nuts. So follow me on Twitter, check out the website, sign up for the chat room, come on in, take a trial. I'll talk to everybody tonight, and I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trading well.